I want to talk about your son, Eli. Last time you were here, we talked a lot about how Eli's a big fan of IHOP.
Yeah, he loves IHOP.
And have the
IHOP sent me a gift card after because I said, like, Eli loves going, and I'm like, I don't like going to IHOP. And then they sent me a gift card.
For how much?
Well, it was $25.
That's not...
And a $25 subway card, because he doesn't like riding the subway. So I enticed him to ride the subway by... Anyway, whatever. They sent me $50 value from IHOP. Okay, yeah.
You also, you recently, I can't remember if it was Twitter or Instagram, you said that Eli burps very loudly in public.
Okay, yeah. So one time, Eli takes, pride in these burps. And so one time we were walking, he burped really loud, right in public. And I was like, what do you say? And he goes, ta-da! And that made me laugh, yeah.
So it seems like, again, it seems like he has your comic timing, but is he aware that you are from comedy, that this is your career?
Well, I didn't want to say, I didn't want him to feel like my mom's an actor, whatever. So I never showed him anything I do, but people would come up to me on the street sometimes and say, like, hey, Debbie Downer. So he was asking what that was. So I showed him with the Debbie Downer sketch. He lasted partway through, and then he was just, like, lost interest. But he did memorize the theme song instantly. And when we were taking an Amtrak train once, and we were sitting there, and the train's all quiet, and he starts going, like, hey, it's Debbie Downer over here. Hey, Debbie Downer. Debbie Downer signing autographs. And people start laughing around us. And he goes, I'm Debbie Downer Jr. Yeah, so he's aware of that whole Debbie Downer thing.
That's fantastic. I like...
Oh, wait, sorry. He and a friend over, and they were playing on this little porch, and he and his friend were on the porch, and they start yelling down to the people on the street, Debbie Downer's up here. She'll sign autographs for you. Yeah.
I love that he seems to think fame is calling people to you so you can sign autographs. It's like a death threat.
Yeah.
Giving away a free autograph.
Exactly.
That's when you made it. That's your life.
Right.
And he's at camp right now?
He's going to camp, and so they do all sorts of things, right? But one of the little things they do is they do, like, little cooking projects at camp. So anyways, I'm a horrible cook, but I try. So the other day, I made him fish, and I gave it to him, and he was like, this is good. And I was like, oh, it's kind of plain. Next time, I'll do a recipe. And he goes, if you want, I could tell you how to make a simple honey mustard sauce. He's 5. And I was like, what? He goes, yeah, we made it in camp today. And I was like, huh? And then he goes, what you do is you mix honey and mustard and some water. He goes, it's disgusting. So...
I will say that does sound fairly disgusting.
Well, I don't know, but anyways, it was just pretty fun. Oh, today we were walking in the city. Okay, it's 90,000 degrees, and we're walking. He's getting really tired, and he just goes, ugh, this city is taking me for granted. Yeah. So I started laughing really hard. He's like, what? It's not funny. And I was like, I know the emotion you're feeling isn't funny, but to me, it was just like, it's kind of off, but I got what he meant. I just thought, that's going to be my new catchphrase now, though.
Sounds like an old Broadway show, This City, or a show tune.
Yeah,
I feel like that's a show tune. This City's Taking Me for Granted is my favorite. And also, does he ever come backstage with you? Does he ever go to your shows?
Oh, okay, so yeah, the last show I did, he liked to come backstage. He liked to sweep the stage a lot. This is, when the audience is not there, because I'm sure he would just walk right out. But then, yeah, so I picked him up at school, and he's like, are we going backstage today? And there were other kids around. I could tell he felt kind of cool about it. He goes, are we going backstage? I go, yeah, we're going to go backstage. He goes, yes, backstage. And he, looked around to make sure other kids heard. I have all access pass, guys,
Well, it was nice, because then those kids were like, I'm so glad something nice happening for Eli, because this city's been taken for granted.
Exactly. He needs a win, yeah.
Dratch, always so great to see you. Congrats on the
too.
show. And thank you so much for sharing your stories about the wonderful Eli. Rachel Dratch, everybody.